Hello YouTube. I'm going to be doing something different on the channel. I'm going to be replacing a motor on this Resmed. Where is it? Oh, AIRSENSE10. Okay, so I'm going to be taking it apart and putting this motor in. I'm doing this as a favor for my neighbor and friend. I've never done one before, but can't be too hard, right? Work on plastic models all the time. Okay, so we'll start getting this apart and get moving here. Okay. All right, I figured out this part pops loose from under here. There's a little lip there. I was going crazy how to figure out how to do this. And, oh, there we go. Oh, and it's filthy. I don't know how old this is, but I'm gonna clean it up before I put it back because it looks really old. Look at all that. Did that come out? That come? Oh, that one comes out. Okay, I'm gonna grab some tools and start disassembling this. I'll be right back. Well, you have to give me a few minutes so I can figure out how to get this apart. I did watch a video how to do this, but okay, I pried it from here. So there we go. I don't want to break anything. Whoa, there we go. I should have probably looked for a video before I made this video. I might go back. Oh, where's the... There's not much to it. There's this, and then, oh, this is coming off. Okay, and there's a power board, computer board. I want to break down if this comes off. Uh-oh. Open up a can of worms here. I can see in there, there's something in there. Oh, it's so dirty. Okay, and I have to tape this over here. I don't want to detach anything and not be able to get the wires back in. Not very good at soldering, and I don't want to burn the board. But it looks like we gotta get in here now. Ooh, maybe right there. Well, it looks like the same bit. The T10. What I'm going to probably do is what my friend, oh, can't get in there, mentioned that he cleans it with vinegar and water to clean up these parts, and baby shampoo. Okay, this one could come apart. No. Okay, there we go. I didn't want to pull it from the wires. That gives me some leeway. And I'm going to separate these all together. the frame here. Let me I need to grab some tweezers or something. If I can get this out. Oh, there we go. All right, and then these will go. Oh, they all look the same. Anyway. Oh, that's coming apart. And it's catching on here. There we go. There it is. And it looks like these are the same wires go here, so we're gonna have to take this board off as well. And that was full of dust. There it is. There's the motor. And you can see it was blowing out some dust there. Dirty. It's dirty. Might be able to just clean it up, but since we have all the part, we have the right part for it. Okay, and then this has to come apart. Get this out. There. Okay, I'm going to get this wires in the frame here so I know how to put them back. Black, white, red. In the same order. Let me look at the other end and see if they would detach from there easier. Nope. So I got to pull these out. They don't want to come out very easy. I'm running out of space. I'm going to clean up some space here. And then this wire here goes under this unit. This would pop off. I think I have to clear that first. Oh, it's going to come out. Oh, I don't want to break it. I think this is the easiest way. It's the way. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to set this whole unit aside so I won't rip any wires. And I can always watch the video to put it back together. Now, oh, I see. And then this is going to be pushed up. And then the wiring, there's a little unit right here that you have to push up to get out. Oops, bumping everything around here. Sorry, folks. All right, there's that. We'll keep that there. There's this. Okay. Okay, it's just popping up so far. Oh, that part is going to be tucked. Don't want to rip it. Look how dirty that is. This has got to come out of here somehow. How am I going to go? Those are pull tabs. And all these tubes. You got to be careful not to break anything. And I'm going to pull it. There we go. There we go. Starting to pull out. I'm just pushing a little pressure. It's yellowing from age. Okay, and then I'm going to put a mark here where the wires go. I don't know if it goes any specific way, but I'd like to keep it in alignment. So I'm going to grab a regular cotton paper towel here. I'll get a marking on it. So that could line up the same. Right here. Not compatible. So I have something else. I'm going to use my Gundam marker. See if this works. A little bit, not much, but I think if I let it dry, I could be able to work with it. Okay. Now, slip this boot off. Starting to come loose from there now. There. This seems to be easier doing it from the bottom. Okay. And here's the old unit. Maybe I'll take it apart and see how it ticks. Anyway, yeah, it has its age. Okay, I'm about ready to put this unit back together. I'm going to grab the new motor. Let me see if I can get this to slide in here now. I might have to get a little bit of petroleum jelly. Let's see, where's my marking here? I want these wires to line up. Wow, it doesn't really want to go. Might have to go off camera, folks. Give me a few minutes. There we go. I'm going to turn it because it went in right there. I think that's where the last one was. Oh, that one slid right on. Okay, I might have to back step and watch a video. So the camera might be in a different frame, but that's basically where the other one was. Okay. And then this will go in here. Carefully. Ooh, that came right away. Okay. Popped in there right away. I'll do it again, it was so fast. Basically go like this, and then you just push a little pressure in, disconnect. That's easy. Okay, like this. And then that will just pop in place. Just like that. Okay, now we're playing with fire. Go first, then the red, then the black, except the black is not going in there. Here we go. If I could square this off a little bit here. Oop. Yeah, like that. Okay. That's together. Now, and all the wires are in place. They just popped right in there. This is really simple. All right, and now I just got to get some screws in it. I might do this like I do the wheels of my car, or vehicle rather. And right there. And I'll get them all started first. Oh, we reverse it. Might have had too much caffeine this morning. Okay, we're going to get them pretty close to where they're going to go, and then we're going to cross them like you do on your wheel when you're changing a flat. Back over to here. And a little snugness. Okay, that one just basically just stopped where it says. You can't really over tighten it unless you go crazy with it. Yeah, that one just stopped right there in its place. And that one as well. So we're all sealed up here. It looks real even. Yep, and there's, you can't go past this guide here. All right, so now we're ready to put it back in the unit. Okay, I did have to back up, and I looped these wires under, then I placed this down, and then I'm pulling the wires this way, very gently, very carefully, and then I'm going to remount it to the unit. Again, you have to slide this part with this into here. See if I can get you in the frame. Just like that, they line up. This one has to go in first to hold it in place. I'm gonna put it finger tight for now and stop you. Okay, and then this looks good too, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with this. And that's tight, hand tight. I'm not gonna bust anything. So that's ready to go on this part here. And I don't know if I twisted it up enough or, oh, it's gonna go like that. And then this part will go, wait, let me get you back into the frame here. I'm gonna get lower here so I could see what I'm actually doing. I gotta be careful with this, but this goes to the top. And I don't know if this is twisted, but it looks like it might be. But these wires are setting fine. And then these go in here as well. And that's pretty much guiding us here. So I think we're good. And then these buttons here. Oh, there we go, right into place. Okay. So that unit is sitting right in where it's supposed to be. Oh, it just popped into its place. Okay, and then carefully, I want to turn around and get this back in. This goes like this, right into there, and then I'm going to bring that down a little bit without trying to pull these wires away. Okay, and then now, okay, and there's a hole here for a screw, and here, and those are lining up as well. Okay, all right, so that's good right there. I'll set it back down, and then I'm going to figure out how exactly this goes. Okay, there's some mounting screws there, but I don't remember any of that. Okay, I'm gonna get the side piece here. Okay. And that should lock in place like such. All right, so this is gonna have to be, there's some placements here where these go, I believe. Okay, so and then this will go like this. Right in there like such. Okay, and that one's lining up, and that one's lining up. They're all lined up. Again, I'm going to tilt it and put them together at the same time. Okay, it just, that board's popping out. Okay. Oh, there we go. And I think I'm going to have to remove this, put this down a little. There we go. Now we're reaching where we want to reach. Okay, I'll get some screws in it now. Okay. So, it's all back together. And, as promised, I'm going to take a break. Be right back. Ready to pop this top on. There's a couple of snap-ins here. I think this one goes in first, and then this pops around down here into its place. Okay, so see if I can get that without dropping it and doing this at the same time. And then this has got to come over this side here. It just popped right into place, basically, except for that other. Okay, it looks like we're good now. Okay, and then this will clip back on. I should have probably tested it before I did all this. But, oh, need the knob. Dust on there is gone. Okay, now this goes on last. This pops, has a little lip there. And then, that's it. We're back together, and I'm going to do a test on it, and I'll let you know the result. So that's how you take it apart and put it back together the wrong way. Wrong way too. All right, so if you like this video, like, share, leave a comment, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And thank you for watching.